got shot off my horse, so what, I'm up again. Playing in one of these big saloons on Main. You can come up here, take a look around these sinners' dens. You're only ever gonna find one or two real games. Nobody's driving me underground, not yet anyway. But either on the strip or on the edge of town, everybody pays. Everybody pays to play. You ought to stay right where you are in sawdust land. It's probably the safest place to be, with your greasy little pork pies and your shoestring hands. Makes no difference to me. All those directions which we never took, to go our different ways.